And thanks so much for taking the time to check out my personal YouTube video. I just want to take a moment and tell you a bit about who I am, what I'm looking for in a career, and what I can offer you. I'm originally from a small town in Ohio, born in 1987 and moved out to LA when I was 16 years old. I started using computers when I was 7 when my family got our first one and immediately became fascinated with them. I started tinkering with them, playing games, and just trying to understand how they worked. It only took me a few years before my friends and family started to consider me as their official tech support guy. Soon after, I found a new interest in internet and network security and computer automation, both of which I excelled at far beyond my peers. I knew that I had a strong passion for computers and technology and knew that I would eventually major in computer science. First, however, I took a slight detour after high school and ended up with a car sales position at the age of 18. I was somewhat introverted at the time, but quickly realized that sales was an acquired skill, just like any other, and I sought to learn it. I turned out to be really good in sales and continued to surprise even myself. I had 5 very successful years in the field, starting as regular sales and then selling high-end vehicles at Lexus, and finally as the internet marketing manager for Toyota. But the whole time I worked there, I never lost sight of that computer science degree. After only dabbling in programming before starting school, my first few classes really opened my eyes to the world of computers. I realized there was so much more to learn, but luckily, I have an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. I've now learned nearly a dozen programming languages including Java, C++, C#, JavaScript, assembly, and many more. Some of my favorite classes have been graphical user interface, computer system security, advanced data structures, symbolic logic, philosophy, and my absolute favorite, senior design. In senior design, I have taught myself Android application programming and am near completion on an app which puts a never-seen-before spin on social media. It will be completed by the end of this semester, so I can enter CSUN's senior design competition. That brings us up to now, where I am currently applying for a position with your company, a position that will lead me into the next exciting stage of my life, one that will challenge me and further develop my passion for both learning and computer science. I can't wait to take my skills and expertise to help take your company to the next level. Thanks so much for watching.